Today guys, we're making turon.
Hey everyone, welcome to our kitchen. Today we got something sweet and crunchy on the menu. Turon!
That's
Wow.
right. We're going to guide you through the delicious process of making this Filipino snack. So let's dive in. First up, let's talk ingredients. You'll need ripe saba bananas, brown sugar, and spring roll wrappers. Simple, right?
And don't forget the cooking oil for that perfect crispiness.
Alright, step 1. Peel those saba bananas and make sure they're ripe. It adds that natural sweetness.
Now, grab a spring roll wrapper. We're turning these bananas into delightful bites.
Place a banana near the edge of the wrapper. Coat the banana with brown sugar. This is where the magic happens.
Roll it up tightly. Fold the sides, just like making a mini burritos. That's the turon shape. Time to cook. Heat up your oil. Make sure it's nice and hot.
Carefully place those turon rolls in. Fry until golden brown. Can you hear that sizzle? That's the sound of deliciousness. And there you have it. Golden crispy turon. The aroma is just irresistible. Look at that, guys.
Wow.
Let them cool a bit before taking that first delicious bite. Trust us, it's worth the wait.
That combination of caramelized sugar and the soft banana inside is just perfect.
Absolutely. You got to try making these at home. Simple ingredients, but flavor is next level.
Thanks for joining us in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this turon adventure, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow us.
Don't forget to share your turon making experience with us in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking!